How to transfer your Google Play Games data to Game Center. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to transfer your Google Play Games data to Game Center. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to launch Google Play Games app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap the three dots at top right corner of the screen and choose Settings option. Now you have to scroll down and you have to choose Profile and Privacy section. Find the option that says games you play can automatically access your friend list. Then you have to tap the pencil icon beside it. And after that, you need to adjust the settings to match what is shown. Then you have to go back. And after that, you need to tap Everyone can see your game activity and state it to everyone. Enable the option that says Let others find your profile using your email address. Also, if you find the option of automatically signing to supported games, you simply need to enable it. After completing this step, you can transfer your Google Play Games data to Game Center. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.